So welcome to Wild Blue. This newly released development from Stock Development was just announced yesterday, and today is November the 16th. So yesterday we found out about all the details of what's coming on for Wild Blue. So if that's of interest, stick around. I have all the details coming right up.
Don't buy real estate if you experience allergic reactions to happiness, satisfaction, pride, fulfillment, contentment. Stop buying real estate if you don't like community, a sea of belonging, a diversified portfolio. Buying real estate may cause you to shop at hardware stores, furniture stores, and design centers. See your realtor immediately if you experience any of these symptoms.
Hello, it's MarkBoehmig, Saunders and Company, and in this channel, Living in Lakewood Ranch, we cover all the areas around Lakewood Ranch from Anna Maria Island down to Siesta Key and from Sarasota up to Bradenton. So if you get value out of these videos, just click that little subscribe button, ding the little bell. Every time we put on a new video, you'll be notified. So right now I am standing directly across the entrance from Lake House Cove. As you can see here, Lake House Cove entrance is right here off of Lorraine Road, and I'm standing across the street here at one of the new entrances, probably one of the new entrances to Wild Blue. Now this development is going to consist of over 550 acres. We have two lakes in here. One is about 200 acres and the other one is about 100 acres. So the first phase is going to release about 95 lots. Now 5 of those lots are going to be taken up with model homes. 2 of the lots are going to be used for parking, so the rest of the lots are going to be available for sale. And we're going to start taking interest lists now, so if you're interested, I'll put a link in the description below so you can sign up for the interest list. But in essence, this is going to contain Stock, Lee Wetherington, Arthur Ruttenberg, John Cannon, and Anchor Builders. And what they're going to do is a little bit different in this neighborhood as opposed to what they did over in Lake Club. But what they're going to do is they're going to section off the lots. So for each size lot, Stock will be building in there along with a specific other builder of the luxury home market. Now, as these phases get finished, Stock will bring on their luxury portfolio, but that will be in future development, future build sites that has not been released yet. So I'm going to put also some of these floor plans in here, a site map so you can see what all is going on. The amenity center is going to be tremendous. It's going to be a 25,000 square foot building. They're going to have inside and outside dining. They're going to have of course, the exercise facilities. They're going to have tennis courts, pickleball courts, basketball courts, all kinds of activities for the entire family. Now, this will not be a gated community, just so you're aware of that. These are going to be high-end luxury homes, probably starting at $1.5 million and up, but this is not gated. We are in Sarasota County, and we are in the Waterside community, and as you know, none of those communities, except for Windward, are gated. So hopefully you found value in this information for the upcoming Wild Blue. We're very excited about it here. So hopefully I can help you navigate the purchase of a new home here. And if you are interested, like I said, I'll put some links in the description below so you can start seeing what the preliminary outlook is for Wild Blue. Mark Boehmig, Saunders and Company.